This is the last line clipping function, that is Cohen Sutherland line clipping and draw. That is, you can see there are 4 parameters are there. See, in a line there will be initial point and final point, that is x0 y0 are initial point, x1 y1 are final point of the line, where actually line clipping happens in this function. We'll see one by one what is this. Okay, now next, you can see outcode 0, outcode 1 and outcode out. This outcode, I have explained in the previous one, that is outcode is ABRL code, where you are doing it for first line, that is a first point, and the second point. For calculation purpose you are using outcode out. Okay, we will see one line by line what is this. Okay, initially I will take bool as a function, bool, okay, data type, bool data type, except as false, done as false. What is this except? See, except as false and done as false, why I am taking it? Because in line clipping algorithm, while you are drawing any of the program, okay, initially you take it as false. Okay, when the clipping is done, okay, when clipping is done, when that line is accepted, then you make it as true. Okay, if the line is completely inside, see, we have seen different lines, where if the line is inside, we will take it as accept as true, and if the task is done, okay, if the task is done, we will make done as a true. Initially we will make it as false, because we have started the program. Now we haven't done any calculation or computation part, so that is why you are making everything as false. Okay, now we will see one by one. Okay, see, compute outcode for p0 p1. P0 p1 means initial point and the final point. Okay, you should find out for p0 as well as p1. We'll see for 0. Okay, outcode 0, that is p0. Okay, compute outcode, this is the function call. Okay, this is the function call where you will pass x0 y0. This is the point of x0 and y0 to find out where the line is actually there. Okay, that is compute outcode. This is a function. Okay, this is a function where we have explained in the previous video. Okay, in the previous function, I have explained what is compute outcode. Okay, that is outcode 0. Okay, same way you should do it for outcode 1. So finally, whatever the output of compute outcode will be stored in outcode 0 as well as outcode 1. Okay, that will be stored in outcode 0 and outcode 1, where this one with this compute outcode will return some value. See, if the line is completely inside, this one will return 0 to this. Okay, outcode 0 will be 0, and even outcode 1 will be 0. If both are 0 means the line is inside. If both are inside, the line is inside. Okay, we will see one by one. Okay, we are using do. Okay, do as a loop. Do if not, you can see not outcode 0 and outcode 1, you are or, you are using or. Okay, if any one of the thing is if you are making or here, if it is oring that, you will accept as a true and done is equal to true. Why, I will tell you. Okay, why this condition I will tell you. See, I told you, if a line is inside means both the values 0 and 1 will be 0. Okay, let's consider here. Okay, outcode is 0 and this one is 0. If you are, you will get what? If both the outcode are 0, then only it is inside. Very important. Okay, that's the most important thing here. If both the things are 0, then the line is inside. Okay, that means you are accepting it. If 0 0, see why I'm doing not, because if should be true. If should be true, that is why I'm making not of 0. Not of 0 means you will get 1. You will get 1 here. If it is 1 means you accept it. Accept means you are accepting the line. You are accepting the line. Accepting the line means true. Okay, accepting the line as a true. Done is equal to true. You are taking done as a true. So these are the two conditions. So accept true, done is equal to true. Initially it was false. If both the outcode are 0, if the both the outcode are 0, you are accepting as true and done as true. If it is not inside means it will never enter to this condition. It will never enter to this condition. Inside, it will not go inside. Okay. Okay. Now, else if this is for it's completely outside. I told if it is completely outside, if this the first condition is for completely inside and the second condition is for completely inside outside. Okay. Else if outcode 0 and outcode 1, okay, done is equal to true. Here see, you are not accepting the line, you are not accepting the line here in this condition. Else if outcode and, you are anding it. Okay. And if you and this, okay, if it is other than one, okay, other than any other, okay, if it is one, okay, if it is outside means it will never be if it is outside means it will be what, it will be not zero, it will be not zero, it will be one. One and one means one only. One means if it is both are one, okay, if both are one, or if both are one, okay, and means if both are one, if it will go inside. If both are one, it will go inside. One means if, else if one, it will go inside, and done will be true. Done will be true means it will be not be accepted, line will be not be accepted. Why it will be not be accepted? Because the condition is this condition is it is not accepted, it is not accepted. Done equal to true. Why? Because the computation is over, computation is over. Okay. Except is false only. Okay. And the third condition, okay, now last condition is third condition. Here else, so there are three conditions as there: if, else if, and else. Three condition will be there. First one is for accepting the line. First condition is for accepting the line, second condition is for rejecting the line, and third condition, okay, you are using ternary operator. Ternary operator used for decision for if the line is partially inside and outside. If it is partially in outside and half line is inside, half line is outside, then you will do this computation. I told you outcode out. If it is outcode 0 0, if it is 0, it will take inside line, and it will take only inside line, and it will remove the outside line, and you should take only inside line. Outside line should be rejected, and you should find out using the formula. Okay, using the formula. So that is very very important. There are three conditions in this. One is accepted, one is, second one is rejected, and third one is partially inside. Partially inside. I'll just show you with the diagram. I'll just show you with the diagram how actually it works. Okay. This is a rectangle, this is a rectangle. I will draw a line, I will draw a line. Let's consider first condition. For first condition, okay, this one, see, this is completely inside the window. This line is completely inside the window. Inside means both the endpoints are zero, both the endpoints are zero. You know ABRL code, you know the ABRL code or region code. If it is inside, both the endpoints are zero. If both are zero, if both are zero, then this condition will hold true. This condition, okay, outcode 0 is will be 0, outcode 1 both will be 0, or if I do or, again it will be 0. Okay, then and not of 0 is 1. 1, if 1 means true, if 1 means true, it will go inside. Except is true because this line is accepted, this line is accepted. Why? Because it is inside. Then done is equal to true. This is case 1. This is case 1. Now I will go for case 2. Okay, now I will go for case 2. I will draw a line like this. See, this is case 2. This one, else if outcode. See here, if this one, both the codes are non-zero here and here. You know ABRL code, okay, that you are seen in the first video. ABRL code for both will be non-zero. Both will be non-zero. Non-zero means if you and both, it will be non-zero. Non-zero means it will go inside. It will go inside, and done is equal to true because this line is not accepted because it is outside. It will be clipped. This line will be clipped. So outside. Okay, this is a second condition or second case. This is a second case for this one. Okay, this one, else if. Now we will see. Now we will see the third condition. Okay, third condition, I'll just draw the third condition. See here, see very carefully, like this. See, this is the third condition. Here, see, this line is outside, this point is outside, this point is inside. What we must do, I must take till here, I must take till here, and this one should be clipped. This one must be clipped. That is done in this one. Outcode out, outcode 0. 0 means inside code, outcode 0, and outcode out 1. So this one will be 0, outcode 0, and this one outcode 1. It will choose any one. Which one is outside, that will be chosen. Okay, that will be clipped. Okay, that will be clipped. It will not be the, whichever is outside, that will be chosen, and that will be clipped. So this is the logic of this function, that is Cohen Sutherland line clipping algorithm. There are three cases are there. One is inside the line. Okay, one is inside, one is completely inside, this one. Okay, okay, then this one is outside. So the three condition you can see here. This one is completely inside, this one is completely inside, this one is completely outside, second one. Okay, and the third one is partially inside, okay, and partially outside. And this is the logic of Cohen Sutherland algorithm.